हेलो व्यूवर्स, A1 आर्ट हब में आपका वेलकम है। एग्ज़ाम्स में अक्सर 5 मार्क्स के लिए शॉर्ट स्टोरी आती है, तो हम इस वीडियो में शॉर्ट स्टोरी किस तरह से लिखी जाती है वो देखेंगे। One day it felt thirsty. It looked about for water. It flew here and there. It reached a garden and saw a jug. There was some water in the jug. The water was very low. The crow could not reach it. The crow was very clever. He thought of a plan. He picked some pebbles. He put them into the jug. The water came up. The crow drank it and flew away. Thank you for watching my video.